That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big.
Hey sis, Taylor here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be attempting this hairstyle right here. I've never done the hairstyle before, and I hope it turns out the way I want it to turn out, because I want to take pictures in it. To make this hairstyle work, you will need a rat tail comb. I just like using this. I prefer using this because it's sharper. A white tooth comb, a detangling brush, a hard brush, an edge brush. I just like using a toothbrush because I don't have an edge brush. The reasons of edge brushes, they are very soft. They are way too soft for my edges, so I prefer to use a hard old toothbrush. A bunch of hair ties. Then you would need a leave-in conditioner. I don't want to use a leave-in conditioner because my scalp is really itchy at the moment, so I'm going to be using this anti-dandruff treatment by Mega Growth. I love it so much. It works as a leave-in conditioner because I don't have to rinse it out, and really helps like also detangle my hair. So I'll be using this instead of a leave-in conditioner. A cream, this castor oil hair and scalp cream by Nature's Gentle Touch. Then a nice strong holding gel. Got to be glue spray or got to be gel. Last but not least, you need edge control. Firstly, I would cut a line down the middle of my hair. You can use 2 mirrors to check if the back is as straight as you want it to be. The key to having the hair being slick and nice is to walk in sections. If you watched my previous video, I put some products in my hair, like the KUI styling products, and it made my hair so soft. It's been a couple days and my hair is still very soft and shiny, so that really helps me. But if your hair is dry, fresh out of your wash day routine, I recommend you spray water on it before walking with your hair. But can't you see how the comb is just moving? Oh my goodness. Get yourself KUI natural products today. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide what I want. Need some me time. Hope you doing what you want. By the beach like Odell. No, my mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Need some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Need some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. This time doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once.
The hairstyle is finally coming out nice. Oh my goodness. There's this flyaway right here that's stopping me, but I'm not pressed by it. Now it's time for my favorite part. It's time to do my edges. Before I do my edges, I'll first of all protect my edges with this castor oil cream.
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
it's not going where I want.
Get some me time.
So to protect the ends of my hair, I'm going to coat them with the castor oil cream.
My killers don't tell.
Now that I've gotten all dressed up, it's time to add the finishing touches. If you are experiencing like flyaways on your hair and your hair is very curly, just put edge control. If the free spray is not working, just put edge control and just slick it. So let's see the edges. Okay, let's go like I'll be adding this detachable afro bun. This is from HT Onika collection. So this is how it looks. It has a comb and a drawstring, which I really like.
Fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
So this is the finished look. This is everything. It's so slick. It's so good. Oh my gosh, this was not a fail. This is exactly what I wanted. This is better than what I wanted actually. So that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.